we have yesterday stopped. Rather, I think there were two questions which haven't been answered yesterday. I think among those questions, first question is about the first fine. I think today it is 3, 5, 20. So first, as like first Bharat Ratnas, the first Padma Vibhushan. As you know already, as I said, these awards were started in 1954, and as like for first times Bharat Ratna, there must be first times Padma Vibhushan awardees. So in fact here there are total 6 names were there who had been conferred the first Padma Vibhushan, that is in 1954. The first name is Satyendra Nath Bose. Second is Nandalal Bose. Third one is Zakir Hussain. Okay. Single yes. Fourth one is Bala Saheb Gangadhar Kher. And I think fifth one is, in this case, the V.K. Krishna Menon. V.K. Krishna Menon. And last one is Jigme Dorji Wangchuk. So these were the first awardees as far as the Padma Vibhushan award is concerned. So these were the different names. I think here there was one more question, that who is the youngest one among the Padma Vibhushan awardees till date. So till date there are total 314 Padma Vibhushan awardees. 314 different personalities are there who had conferred with the Padma Vibhushan awardee. But unfortunately, till now, I could not get answer of this particular question. Who is youngest among all these 314 people? So again, this is the question which may take some more time, right? Probably I don't know how to now find it out, right? So whatever may be the possible ways to look to this particular question, which I have gone through, but still it is unanswered, right? So totally there are 314. Now this is just since I was searching these different things, so I also came to know the different statistics related to these awards. So total 314 till date. Among these, I think 15 were posthumously and 19 are NRIs, non-resident of the India, right, or non-citizens of India at that particular time. Since I'm talking about the total number of Padma Vibhushan awardees, it is 314 Padma Vibhushan. So let's go through the Padma Bhushan, again, which was given in 1954. Although in 1954 its name was not Padma Bhushan, it was first, second, third likewise. So it was second in that year, but in 1955 it has become Padma Bhushan. So till date, there are 1254 different persons are there, or personalities are there, who had conferred with the Padma Bhushan. And the same thing, if I put here, that is related to Padma Shri. So again, it was given away in 1954. It was called third, right? And in 1955 it becomes Padma Shri. So till now, here the huge number is there. 3,123 are there, right? So these are till date. I mean, 25th of January 2020, right? So 3,123 and 1,254 respectively. That is Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Herein, again, if you consider who were or who was the first, as like here, who was the first, right? So here again, who was the first, if we see, so that is the Balveer Singh Dosanjh. So you people might have gone through something through this particular personality. So this is the person who had represented India in 3 different Olympics, and in every occasion he had won gold medals. And in 19, I think in 1953, 57, he had been conferred. Now see, it was started in this year, and in fact it was given first time in this particular year, right? So this is the first one who got the Padma Shri. Again, in this case, if I look the same question, I thought about this youngest. I could get the personality or the character for this. So who is the youngest in the Padma Shri? So it's a very renowned personality, Sachin Tendulkar. So as like India's youngest, what I can say, Bharat Ratna awardee. Likewise, he is also the youngest Padma Shri awardee, right? So this is about the different awards, and it was related to the questions what we can see in this particular case. So I think this was the thing which we have seen in the last session. Now, if we go through the next point, that is, I think, related to the gallantry awards. Fine. So let's start with the new. So that is related to the gallantry awards, as I said. Gallantry awards. Fine. Now, in this case, I think yesterday only we have seen different names of at least these 6 different gallantry awards. So very first here in is Param Veer Chakra. Param Veer Chakra. Now, if we see this one, as I said, this is the highest decoration. Highest decoration. If we consider the highest decoration in the civilians, so that is you can consider the Bharat Ratna. No doubt, second most will be the Padma Vibhushan. But as far as Padma Awards is concerned, so Padma Vibhushan is the first thing. Right. So the highest decoration for the valor is the Paramveer Chakra. It is abbreviated as PVC. Now, this is being awarded, or it is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or the preeminent act or the self sacrifice in presence of in presence of the enemy. That means in the field, whether it is on the land, that is army, whether it is in the water, that is in the navy, and whether it is in the air, that is air force. So these are the different fields wherein if you have sacrificed your life, if you have shown the preeminent act of the valor, or the what I can say here again, it is the conspicuous bravery, right? Or let's say the daring, or again I can say self-sacrifice. So it is in presence of the enemy, either of these three fields. Then for such bravery act, PVC is awarded, or Paramveer Chakra is given. So again, this decoration is made up of bronze. In fact, every decoration is made up of bronze, right? And but here it is circular in shape, circular shaped. On its hours, Murjua. On its hours, there are 4 replicas of the Indra's Vajr. Indra's Vajra. Indra's Vajr embossed round the state emblem, right? So here you can have a state emblem, and here there is one Vajr, here is Vajr, here is Vajr, and here is Vajr, and it looks like a circular. So all these things are embossed on the front side, or which is called of verse, right? So now at the reverse side, the Paramveer on the obverse. So these are the 4 Vajras, and here you can have the emblem, that state emblem. And on the back side of this, that is called reverse. Likewise, here the Paramveer Chakra is written, right? So no doubt it is circular, right? So this is the decoration of PVC. Only thing is that at the upper side, you will be having embossed Paramveer Chakra, right? And here it is written in the English, right? So in this way. So it is at the back side of this. So this could be about the Paramveer Chakra Award, or the decoration. So it is around, let's say, if we consider the highest gallantry award, so it is always a PVC. Fine. So this is about the first one. Now second in this category. Fine. Okay, I will tell you some of the story or examples, right? You might have seen it in some of the movies, or you might have heard something about it, right? So just a minute. Okay. Okay, sorry. Fine. So you might have seen something. So if you have gone through the movie Yellow Sikargil, so there you can see Manoj Kumar Pandey, right? So he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra. In fact, it was posthumously, right? So again in the same movie, there was one more, I think, Havaldar. He had shown the bravery, and he is alive. I think it's his interview is also available on YouTube, or you can see it with some of the anchors from Aaj Tak. So therein he says, or most of the events in the school annual day functions of schools or colleges. So this person had been there at difference. I think he is in the service till I think even today. So these were the different personalities who had not only this. There are different n number of Paramveer Chakra awardees are there. Some of them we have also seen in the let's say training institutes alumni. So while learning training institutes alumni, at that time we have gone through some of these alumni of different training institutes who had been conferred with the Paramveer Chakra. So this is the simplest story through which you can easily go, or you might have uh, gone through these different things. So that is about the Paramveer Chakra. So next one is Mahavir Chakra. Mahavir Chakra. Here it is highest. If you consider the highest, the preference. So it is second highest decoration, and it is always awarded for the act of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of again enemy, whether on the land, sea, or in the air. So as the first few things, right? So here it is highest, here it is second highest, right? So second highest, but the rest of the things are same. So we have to have the bravery or act of gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether it is on the land, on the sea, or it should be, it can be in the air. So you can have these three things which are always being important as far as this particular thing is. Now you can consider the uh, material which is being used to construct this particular Mahavir Chakra. Then again it is circular in shape, but in this case now the silver is used instead of complete bronze. So this is being constructed using the silver. So you can consider the material which is differing first time. So till now I think 3 plus 1 plus this one. So till now we have gone through 5 different awards which are made up of bronze, but now first time we are looking for another material. So using silver, it is being constructed, and it is no doubt circular in shape as like this. The PVC is also in the circular in the shape. Now in this case, if you again consider on the obverse side of this particular chakra, the 5-pointed heraldic star with the dome center, peace wearing gilded state emblem uh, at the center are embossed, right? So you should not worry about these things. Whenever you will be seeing these particular things, at that time you might be coming across the details. So the words Mahavir Chakra are embossed both in Hindi and English on the reverse of the let's say medal, as like this particular thing. Right here, instead of Paramveer Chakra, here it is Mahavir Chakra, and here it is in English Mahavir Chakra. Right. So this will be always about the construction. At the time of wearing, I think I haven't talked about this one. So how you can wear this? So this decoration, now I'm talking about PVC. So this decoration is always worn on the, no doubt, on the left side, and with a plain purple colored ribbon. So behind or below this chakra, there is always a ribbon. I will write reband. Right. So reband, and this ribbon is of the purple color, whereas here it is, this ribbon is of, let's say, the orange. So half is of orange colored plus half is of white color. Right. So there are two different colors which we can have. So with a half white and half orange. Right. So this will be the thing. Now see here, there are two different colors. So which color should be at what side? No doubt it is again at the left side, but this should be always placed in such a way that the orange color will be always at the side of shoulder, at the size of shoulder. So no doubt towards chest, here it is white. Right. So that is the thing you should always keep in mind. Right. Whenever you will see some soldier or some of the awardees, right, wearing these chakras or these awards. So that is only for the observation of us. Then third one which we can consider here is the Veer Chakra. Veer Chakra. Now, so it is a third in order of gallantry awards, and which is always given for the act of gallantry in the presence of enemy, as like earlier to PVC and Mahavir Chakra. And as like again PVC and the Mahavir Chakra, it can be on the land, at the sea, or in the air. Now again this is made up of silver, Sarkari nif, and let's now come towards its actual presence. So on the obverse, there are 5-pointed heraldic star, which has an which has a Ashok chakra in the center, and within this chakra there is a dome center piece wearing Gilead state emblem. On the reverse side, the Veer chakra is written here in Hindi, and here it is like it is written in the English. So the chakra. Now, how to wear this one? So as like Mahavir chakra, so there is half white color. So here instead of white, there is a half blue colored ribbon, and half will be the orange colored ribbon. So that ribbon is a ribbon on which these chakras are placed. So that will be always blue and orange. So in Mahavir chakra it was white and orange. And again, the orange color should be at the side of shoulder. So that you have to always consider, right, while wearing this particular thing. Fine. Then next one is Ashok. Right. So this is country's highest peacetime gallantry award. Right. Country's highest peacetime gallantry award. Now see here, it is very important. See, although there is a gallantry, but where that gallantry is being shown, whether it is in the field or in the peace time. So depending on that, it has different thing, or it has different, right? And it is always equivalent to Paramveer Chakra. So only difference is that this is for field and this is for the peace time. So you know these things now, or you are well known about these differences. Fine. So this one. Now the material by which it is being made up of. So it is always made up of the let's say gilt gold, right? And again circular in shape. On its obverse side, you can consider there is a replica of the Ashok Chakra, which is always being surrounded by the lotus wreath, right? Along the and then along the edge is this pattern of lotus leaves, flowers, and the buds. But on the reverse, the words Ashok Chakra likewise in the Hindi, and here it is in the English. You can have, right? So it is circular. So again, Hindi and English, the embossing of these words is there. Again, it is very weird on the left side, right? Only here now the ribbon is, the band is of the green silk colored. Green silk ribbon is of made up of the silk, and it is in the green color, right? So you can always have these things. The Ashok Chakra is, right. So this is about the peacetime's highest gallantry award, which we can consider. As I said, this is for the Major Sandeep Krishnan, who had lost his life in 26/11 Mumbai attack. So likewise, this is being, again, apart from that particular officer, we have also seen some of the officers who had conferred with this particular peacetime's highest gallantry award, right, as alumni of the some of the defense training institutes. Then I think second last in this category that we can consider here is the Kirti Chakra. Fine. Kirti Chakra. So this decoration is always awarded for the conspicuous gallantry, and again it is made up of silver, circular in shape. Then you can consider its obverse and reverse, right, which are exactly the same as like the Ashok Chakra are, right? So what is the front side and the back side, obverse and reverse? Exactly same things are there. Only thing is that it is made up of gold, it is made up of silver, right? So Kirti Chakra, and this is being always awarded for the conspicuous gallantry, right? Then you can consider again the next one, right? That is Shaurya Chakra. SHAURYA, Shaurya Chakra. Fine. So this particular decoration is awarded for an act of gallantry. Again, its construction is exactly like Ashok, is exactly like Ashok Chakra, except the material used for this. So the material used for the Shaurya Chakra is a bronze. So you can see this particular thing here, right herein, that is related to the different gallantry awards. Now, apart from these things, yesterday I said there are some of the things which are always important. If we see the some of the officers' names, right? Suppose Yam Narone. Then there must be written something like AVSM, PVSM, DSM, right? So likewise, there can be different let's say medals. So no doubt these are the medals. Apart from these, there are some of the medals which are which are conferred for the recognition of distinguished services of the most exceptional, and high order respectively. And because of that, these three are always considered, right? Suppose first I will write here Param Vishisht Seva Medal, right? That is called PVSM. Now see, this is Seva Medal, fine. So this is not as exactly as like the gallantry. So here you need not to sacrifice your life, right? That doesn't mean that you haven't shown the gallantry. Yes, you have to always show, right? In your whole service, if you could not have witnessed, if you could not have come across or experienced that particular gallantry, so it is not a possible thing. Fine, it has to have some of the gallantry, but it is for the seva, right? So seva medals. So first one, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, PVSM. So for what it is being conferred? So it is being conferred for the most exceptional service. Most exceptional service. Now see, what is mean by most exceptional service? Suppose, as far as the police is concerned, if I give you an example. So in this particular case, if we consider, if you become the PSI or APSI, it's at the early age, maybe 21, 22, at the most 23. Then your first posting will be always in the Naxalite areas, Gadchiroli, Bhamragar, likewise, right? So that would be a thing. Likewise, most of the times, if you're posting, as far as army man is concerned, your posting is in the Leh or Ladakh or Siachen. Therein, if you could survive, rather you have a service, right? That is considered as most exception, because only there only that itself is exceptional. And therein, if you could have a war, there if you could have a fight with the enemy, there if you could have that kind of, let's say, issues, so that we, and if you could succeed in these particular issues or fight or war, then that is called as the most exceptional thing, because only surviving at that particular place is exceptional. It is not that much easy as as easy as you can survive anywhere in the other side of India. For example, if you are living in, let's say, Aurangabad, if you are living, the same person is asked to live in Pune, and if the same person is asked to live in Mumbai. Now you can experience the difference between living in these three different places. Likewise, you can have different environments while living at, let's say, at Arunachal Pradesh border, or in the Leh or Ladakh or the Siachen. So that could be the considered as the, this could be one of the things, right, or one of the examples what could be known as most exceptional services, right? This is, that doesn't mean exactly this one, or this is not mandated that everyone who is being situated, who is being appointed at or deployed at the Siachen or the Leh Ladakh will be always giving this particular seva medal. No, it is not. Right? But likewise, fine. The second is, in this case, after Param, next will be Ati Vishisht. Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. So A, V, S, M. PVSM, AVSM. Fine, likewise. So this is being given for the exceptional service. Exceptional service. Fine. And I think third one is Vishisht Seva Medal. VSM. So this is given for the high order service. High order service. Right. So these are the things which are, these are the different seva medals which are awarded to a personnel of all three services or all three armed forces, right? Army, Navy, and Air Force, right? So you can see for each of the personnel from the different uh, armed forces. Now,
Less than 1 minute.
the PBSM is made up of
Less than 1 minute,
gold.
sir.
Fine, fine. So it is made up of gold. AVSM is made from standard silver, and the Seva medal is made up of the bronze. It is. I say this is made up of silver. This is made up of bronze. This is made up of silver, and this is made up of gold. So gold, silver, and bronze. So most exceptional, exceptional, and high order service. So these are always given, and every one of these is